Have you ever encountered a scam when buying hair extension? Do you know how scary it is to buy and get scammed? Here's a story from our customer about the scary experience of being scammed.
I spent thousands of dollars on hair. I received the hair. It was so many short pieces in the bundles. You couldn't run your fingers through the hair. The hair was dry and coarse and shedding. So I contacted the vendor. I said, hey, this hair isn't the quality that you told me it was. I said, it's shedding, it's tangled, it have all these little short pieces. I said, I can't sell this to my customers. I say, starting off a business, if I start out with hair that's bad, that's gonna run away all my customers, and I don't want to give a bad name for myself starting out. So then she flipped the script, and the vendor tried to blame it on me. She said that I must not wash and condition the hair right, something I did to the hair. She blamed me for not having, the hair not being quality after she promised me, that the hair was good quality. So after I kept messaging her back and showing her pictures and stuff of the hair, she just stopped responding, period, because she knew that the hair was not good. So I was just basically scammed out of thousands of dollars. So I was so upset. I cried. I was like, what am I going to do now? And I happened to run across K Hair Company. Jasmine is a real sweet person. She's professional. Jasmine explained to me, she sent me videos, the history of the company. I watched reviews from other customers from Nigeria and different places. And I say, I think I'll give this hair a try. So I ordered some hair. They sent me this cute little bag. And I have some straight hair. Straight. So if I wish, that I knew about K Hair.
Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory. Business hair scammers are simply interested in their earnings. They desire enormous profit and extremely minimal cost. To advertise the image of hot trend hair models, they make use of social networks and media. Nonetheless, selling virtual things online is the main focus. Really, they just put it up for sale. They don't have hair factories or workers. Business hair scammers will live after collecting payment from clients. So it is really important that you should know about how to avoid business hair scammer. First of all, you should prepare a list of questions to ask each vendor you consider doing business with. The supplier you choose must have a good understanding of texture, length, color, shipping, packaging, and sale. If they don't know much about the hair and can only provide you limited information, they might be a hair scammer. Don't forget to conduct a video call. This will allow you to see the hair and the hair factory, allowing you to determine whether everything is real or phony. You can avoid business hair scammer with the aid of this. You can view a direct representation of the hair in the film and assess the hair's quality. If the hair quality is good, you can order with confidence from that seller. Last but not least, get sample and spend little for the first time. Correct? You should get sample first if you want to try ordering from the hair source after doing extensive research on some. To assess the supplier's customer service and hair quality, you purchase a little amount of hair. You shouldn't be careless and overpay the first time you make purchase. Also, you cannot sell poor quality hair, which has an impact on your hair company. Curtain bags and dye hair can be a wonderful option if you're looking for some style to sample orders or some ways to restyle them. That is our suggestion for how to avoid business hair scammer. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video useful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.